Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to Telegram apps. Tap on Telegram. Next, tap on three dot icon. Next, tap on setting. Scroll down little bit. Now go back to your home screen. After that, tap on Chrome. Search here. Telegram web. You can see here Telegram. Tap on this. Next, tap on three dot icon. After that, tap on setting. Scroll down little bit. Tap on privacy and setting. Scroll down little bit. Can see that send content. Tap on this icon. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.